what's up guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I am going to show you guys how to scan the documents on the Notes app on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the Notes app and just open up a brand new note, and then now you have to do is to click on the plus button right there. You have to click on scan documents, and let's grab this job application for the example. Okay guys, you have to put it into position. Okay guys, it's ready right there. After you scan the document, and then click on save right there. And I accidentally scanned the second one, but that's okay because this is a tutorial anyway, so I hope this video did help you out, and you cannot type over the document you just scanned or anything like that. So yeah guys, and as I said, I hope this video did help you guys out, and please remember to subscribe for more tutorials like this and more, gaming videos and more, adventure time plush videos and more, unboxings and reviews. And please comment and rate this video. Make sure to leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And please make sure to turn on the post notifications so you guys can stay up to date. And now, this will be Alexander Bosko. Sign off guys, and peace out. Bye guys.